Pozdrav dragi gledatelji, dobrodošli na kanal. Odmah krećemo na video, a izdvojili smo neke od najbrutalnijih udaraca i nokauta iz ženskog borilačkog svijeta.
Güzel bir sağ sol. Gonzalo İmanlı'yı. Ortaya ardından sol kroşe. Gonzalo İmanlı yerde. Ayhan Tursin karşı. But she's trying to finish her on the field. Oh! Hughes, that's it. Claire was about to tap anyway.
She left the angle wide open on that.
Jumping in to stop the hammer fist that was coming down on an all.
Llega fuerte la derecha de Montenegro. Parecía sentirlo Ariana Fernández. Tremenda la potencia de Montenegro, la bruja. Sale a castigar con todo, abajo, arriba. Tremendo, totalmente doblada y se va a terminar nomás. Rápidamente, en menos de un minuto.
Principal. Belo jab cruzado da Mirella. Chegou ao fim. Nocaute da noite.
Plays in Talia here as well, sort of taking over the clinch here with these knees, big knees from her.
Huge knees from Talia Cruz.
Oh, wow.
They're massive. Inacio is hurt. She's got to get off the cage.
You see the mouth guard come out there too. She's taking some big shots right now. People won't take too much more of this.
No, this fight's over.
Y lo ha demostrado, ¿no? Cuando piensa lo que va a hacer. Una vez más ese gancho parece que la lastima. Tiene que seguir insistiendo ahí. Qué precisión. Era un combate que se presentó.
Both of these ladies taking their time.
Whoa!
Nice. Both of these ladies taking their time.
Whoa!
Nice overhand. Beautiful overhand right there.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत. ये देखिए.
To bend over and grab it. Oh, there's the hip kick. That's the timing.
Another highlight.
In the Phoenix tournament was that. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Finished.
Holy moly! Something right on top. Lionheart.
She doesn't.
That drop.
Jenna Fabian drops Julia Panic and pounds her out in the second round.
Her mouth guard lost some focus, it seemed there. Right high kick landed. Big left.
들어갔습니다. 자, 들어갔어요. 자, 넘어졌던 송호경 위기입니다. 송호경 위기예요.
자, 킥까지 섞어보면서 이제 몰아봤고요.
자, 일단 클린치가 좀 필요한 상황인데요. 계속되는 난타전 스티키 마리아. 초반부터 몰아치고 있습니다. 라이트.
아, 또 오른손 한번
네,
걸렸습니다.
난타전 계속 걸쳐 피하지 않습니다. 송호경. 자,
물론까지.
송호경. 자, 니킥을 찾고 있는 스티키 마리아. 자, 돌려 세웁니다. 위험해요. 자,
타블라죠.
경기 마무리됐습니다.
Kátia, sentiu a Kátia. Vai trabalhando agora no box a Nicole. Trabalhando a distância, joelhada agora da Nicole. Olha a joelhada, vai golpeando, vai martelando, vai buscar o nocaute técnico agora a Nicole. Fim de papo! Vitória de Nicole Pedrosa.
That's from Clarissa before. She's got amazing striking. She's not afraid to go toe-to-toe with...
Kozlova needs to be really careful. She's ducking that head down. Needs to be careful with the knee or not.
Big shot! Goes in trouble!
Waves it. Oh!
Very, very fast here. Robinson looks very fatigued though here in the third and final round. Oh! Huge knockout! Big knockout kick from Mary.
Out of range this time.
Oh! Unbelievable. The right.
Smarter approach for her.
Oh, big right hand there by Pacheco. And hard.
There's definitely no wasted energy here by either one of these athletes.
Oh, that was an devastating left hook. Right uppercuts from Larissa Pacheco and another.
Не хватает просто физической мощи. Да, и бой остановлен! Watch the
Hvala vam što ste pogledali ovaj video. Ne zaboravite uključiti obavijesti jer još uzbudljivih videa dolaze.
You.